And it looks like more problems for the 42 of Kyle Larson. For the luck for Kyle Larson has been bad ever since the engine.
I mean, look at the last 3 finishes, all outside the top 30. This was a car.
Giving him all that data. He believes the 42 car is.
I think I was passing a lapper there, and when I lifted, I heard it start to blow up, and just unfortunate, it's 40 Fs in a row. Crappy way to end the season. Really happy about that. Refresher car Chevrolet was definitely the best car I've had to get a shot to race for the win.